In this video, you will see how to stop Mac from sleeping. Your MacBook is sleeping right now because you have not set the mode to never, and that can be changed by clicking on the system settings icon here. So go ahead and click on the system settings. You will see this window. What you need to do is just scroll at the bottom of the page and you will see here the option of lock screen. We can remove the sleeping time using this option. So after clicking on the lock screen, you will see many options here. So the first option is start screensaver when inactive. So instead of 10 minutes, you just have to select the option never. The next option is turn off display on battery when inactive. So if you are not connected to the charger, then use this option. Just select the never and just enter the password and that would be okay. Now the third option is turn off on power adapter when inactive. So instead of that, just select the option never. So after setting all this to never, your MacBook won't sleep. Now check out these useful videos related to Mac. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.